train button'ı vale. Ite yan Boston ge batı.
Hey, so I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded any new videos. It's been a busy couple of weeks here, and I had a few exams for college earlier on. There was also Independence Day celebrations going on for a few nights. So yeah, I took some time to go out with my family and friends and watch fireworks here in Rhode Island. And I do feel like I was getting a bit distracted from learning Tulu. Sometimes throughout the day, I would try to, listen to a few Tulu songs on Spotify. And then a few songs later, I would just get recommended a bunch of Tamil or Telugu songs, which I'm not complaining. I love all these languages. I want to learn them all, but I guess listening to the songs isn't the best way to learn the language. And if you have a way that you like to learn languages that works, let me know in the comments below. But anyways, I'll make a video soon so I can share with everyone like the ways I'm learning Tulu and the methods that I think are the most helpful, so I can recommend to anyone who wants to learn Tulu on their own. And beyond that, I just recently went to Boston, so I filmed a little bit on the train, just going up there to meet a friend. I just tried to speak a little bit more Tulu, so I always think that's the best way for me to learn. So yeah, the rest of the video you can enjoy.
Anna guys, naragotunda ite yan train station de train kotondole. Boka yeah. Mulpa uru de Pawtucket uru ini yan Boston ge povine I'm going to Boston dapon friend visit. I'm gonna visit my friend. Okay, yeah. Tule train button'ı vale. Ite window seat there. Must nature tupe. And baka must nature. Okay, ite on bathroom or washroom. We call them bathrooms here, but I just wanted to show you kind of what it looks like. So, I mean, it's a commuter rail, so this isn't nothing that special. But I mean, hey, for a commuter rail, it's pretty good. Ite yan Boston ge batı. Buka ite yan subway kotondole. I'm waiting for the subway right now. I got my subway ticket, 2 rides. Doesn't expire for a while. It's called Charlie ticket. So yeah. Boston. Mesquite.
So yeah, Master Somulu, like my play, subscribe my play. See you next time. Bokatika.